Hello. It is another beautiful day here in Maine. I hope that it's beautiful wherever you are too. I am sitting in the van right now because it's time to do something in here. So I came out with intentions of like sitting in here and figuring out what I want to do in here. Notebook, pen, everything ready. This is the first time I have sat down in the van and just spent a little time in here in a hot minute. And she's a little dirty. So I think before I can focus on deciding what to do in here, I should probably clean it. There are layers of Ajita hair. Layers. And now that it's so nice outside, like you want to roll your windows down when you're driving down the road. So when I roll the windows down, it almost feels like we're in a snow globe inside the van because the wind comes through and just starts swirling Ajita's hair. I might be exaggerating slightly, but kind of not. And like her hair is just swirling around everywhere in the van. So I should try to get some of it out, I think. Let's clean the van.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me except for you. Like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change, but I'll feel the same. Thought that you should know. Even if my eyes are closed, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
I am so glad that's done. The van is so clean. She looks so much better. And now that she's all clean, I feel as though it's possible to start planning what I actually want to do in the van now. This is exciting. What a good feeling. So, tomorrow we're going to tackle taking out the center console. And I think that's going to be pretty quick. So, once we get the center console out, then we'll see if we can get the seats out because we're taking the seats out. Did we discuss that? I think that is all I have in me for today. That was a lot, but it's done. And I have a feeling after I take out the center console and the seats, I think I'm going to be repeating every everything I just did. I just had a moment of realization that if I had waited until after I took out the center console and the seats, then I would have only had to clean once. But since I decided to clean first because my OCD brain was like, ooh, it's dirty. We can't take seats out or take a center console out while it's dirty. So let's clean it. And then after we take the center console and the seats out tomorrow, I think we're going to be exposing some parts of this van that haven't been exposed since its birth. And oh my, What could be waiting underneath those surfaces? That's a problem for tomorrow's Donna. The rest of today's Donna, I think, number one, I think that the dogs are probably not happy with me because it's way past dinner time. So I think we need to go feed the dogs first.
We got nowhere to be.
I'm sorry you had to
Just
so
slow
long.
dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few. 'Cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just let it fall.
That was a good one. That was a good one. You want to go outside?
Coffee's cold, but we take a sip. Talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that. Like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that. Like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that. Like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that. Like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
I think this is going to taste so good. Oh, I worked up an appetite today. So as you can see, I'm trying really hard to eat healthy and fuel my body with what it needs rather than what my emotions need. That's interesting. Whenever I'm eating bad, it's either because I'm happy or sad or maybe even mad. I don't know. Maybe I eat bad when I'm mad. That rhymes. Interesting. It's like you celebrate and so you eat junk, or you're sad and you eat junk, or I do, anyways. So now I'm trying to teach myself no matter what's going on, eat good because this body needs it. That's all I can do. Can't show you a clean plate. I was so close though. At least I ate all my vegetables. All right. Well, that was good. It's seat day. Today's goal, get these seats out of this van. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous, but I don't know. I've been waiting for a while now, and apparently they're not gonna take themselves out. So I don't think I have a choice. I think I have to take the seats out myself. So let's do it. Let's take some seats out of this minivan. Okay, the back seats look pretty straightforward. I have these like 4 points here that I have to disconnect. And then from this side here, when you lift the seat up, it looks like, hold on. Looks like there's, let's see, there's another bolt in here and another one on that side. And I believe once we take those out, that whole seat should just come right out. And then the same for this one. The front seats, I'm not as confident because it looks like, let's see, there's, this is filthy. Don't mind that. But yeah, I'm not sure. Like I see anchor points there and there, but I don't really know. I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, figure this one out a little bit more. I'm not quite sure. I'll let you know what I figure out. Okay, it's time to bring in some reinforcement help. What does it matter, buddy? I'll come get you in a minute.
I'm trying to see what's holding me up there.
Oh, right here. It's attached right here.
It's hooked. So there's that. So one, two, three. I think it's just that bolt, and that bolt. Seems like you see those three bolts with it folded down.
Oh, yeah.
So
Oh, that's exactly what I was thinking when I said the video. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like I see anchor points there and there. I had the thing while you were gone, and I go, I think it's these 3 points of contact right here. Oh my God, so I might have been right.
2,000 years later.
We might have to take all these off and lift it up to.
yeah, pop it out.
Yep. Matter, my hero did it.
I flipped it up. It gave me the leverage to pop that one. That one.
Seeds are out.
Actually, it only spin on hand tight anyway, so good.
Right, but if I just do this
Yeah.
and then just do this, then I think good. Perfect.
Kind of slide it back. And it's just super easy to.
Okay, after watching a video, I think I have figured this thing out. So I'm gonna make you go upside down. But there's a lever down here that I'm gonna lift up, right there. And then I'll push this forward and then lift the whole thing out. And it should just come out easy. And take away. Oh my gosh. Everything's done. And now we have to clean again. Look at all of this deep space I have right here that I'm going to be able to use probably as like, I don't know, garage storage type space. And then you can't see it, but those are empty. I'll show you. And they stay covered up for right now, which is good for the dogs for until I get a floor in here. Yeah, let me show you what that looks like. So under here is where the seats used to be. Oh, crap. And I just realized I still have to clean under here because this was hidden. But you know what? I'm going to go to an actual car wash and use a powerful vacuum to get under here. But either way, this is going to be storage space that I can use, just like back there. But I'll be able to... Hi, I think it's so funny when I'm in a shadow. Yeah, so, and it goes all the way through. So yeah, so it just goes all the way through to the other side. And I'll be able to use those storage compartments for whatever I want. The seats are out of the van. Dan made it look really easy, I'm not gonna lie. I guess I was nervous for nothing. Well, no. If I had to do it by myself, I was nervous for very good reasons. But Dan saved the day. Yay, Dan! Other things. So this week, wow, it has been a week. Working on the van and getting all of that done, that feels so good. But I've also been doing some other things in the background, still doing the like me work, which is hugely important and part of this year of the summit. Part of learning to love myself is taking care of my body, which I'm a roller coaster with. Really, my whole life I've been a roller coaster with taking care of my body. My body and me, we've had a difficult relationship, but we're working on changing that and working on just accepting ourselves for who we are. One of my goals for the year of the summit is learning to love myself and treating myself with kindness. Part of that comes in learning how to have a better relationship with food. Because my relationship with food has been very toxic. I have struggled with anorexia and bulimia, and I would then go the extreme opposite. My weight has fluctuated so much throughout my life, where I have been incredibly overweight and I've been incredibly underweight, and every so often I hit the magic, sweet spot for weight. But it would never last because, well, I wasn't okay. As part of the year of the summit, I'm going to really start changing how I treat myself. And one great way to treat myself better and love myself is to fuel my body with what it needs. Not mix my food with my feelings anymore. Try to figure out something else to do with my feelings instead of turning to food. I don't know if you struggle with food too, but if you do and you have any suggestions or tips and tricks of how to struggle less with it, I am all ears. I'm open to hearing any suggestions. But for me, for right now, little steps and little things at a time. My diet's not perfect yet, but it's better. And every day becoming more and more comfortable in this like full-size body that I have I can't get out of. So I mean, I might as well love myself, right? If you did something this week to show yourself a little love, I want to hear it. Share it with me in the comments. I think it's important that we share the things that we're doing with each other so that we can support each other and lift each other up. Yeah. Tell me what you're doing. I can't wait to hear. All right, so this sums up our first official week of van build. Next up, a floor. I'll see you guys next week. Wait, I almost forgot to show you. Look what I got. I found a cot. So this means we're doing a semi-permanent build because this is going to be our bed and we'll go from there. But yeah, I had to show you. And I thought that would be kind of a fun transition. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now, have a good day and I'll see you next week. No, 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 get out. I think it got in. Oh, it is in. This is the most unflattering way to show this to you. Oh, I already said I'm bringing in reinforcement help. It's recording you.
Right now?
Yeah.